We're at Lowe's. As you can see that they're gonna put brand new tool deals out very soon. They're starting to set them up now. This is gonna be a very short video. We're gonna only cover the main stuff. So they have for $79 by Shop Vac. They're 12 gallon, 5.5 gallon quarter weight dry shop vac with accessories. $79. 12 gallons, 5.5 peak horsepower, 2.5-inch hose diameter, accessories and filters. Craftsman does have this for $99, your choice. They have the 3-inch cutoff tool, 7/4-inch brushless RP circular saw, oscillating multi-tool, also brushless RP, full-size reciprocating saw, brushless RP. Then they have these two kits. One is the brushless RP drill driver with a 2-amp-hour battery charger in a bag, and also the same kit for the impact driver. Both are brushless RP tools, 4-amp-hour battery and charger as a starter kit, and a 6-amp-hour battery. So those are $99, your choice. Expiration date for these are 4/15/2026. So all new end caps are going to be coming soon. Then Kobalt has these choices, $79. Your choice, they have a 2-pack of their 4-amp-hour batteries. They have a 3/8 or 1/2-inch impact wrench, very low range, single-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool. Those are $79 your choice. Then they have $99 your choice. They have the full-size XTR reciprocating saw, 7/4-inch XTR circular saw, 6.5-inch regular brushless circular saw, job site speaker / radio, compact trim router, 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger as a starter kit. So those are all $99 your choice. Then they have $129 your choice. These are all XTR tools. With each kit comes with a 4-amp-hour ultimate output battery and a hard case. $129 for the hammer drill, full kit. $129 for the drill driver, full kit, and $129 for the impact driver. So those are all XTR tools. Kobalt's top of the line. So those are Kobalt's deals. Oh, let's check the expiration date for those. Expiration date is also 4/15/2026. DeWalt has $129 your choice. They have a 2-pack of their 4-amp-hour batteries, the 3.5-amp-hour power stack battery, their 20-volt vacuum, 20-volt stick vacuum, job site speaker / radio, full-size reciprocating saw, and a 6.5-inch circular saw. So those are $129 your choice. That is a great deal for the 3.5-amp-hour power stack battery. They also have this going on. The reason why I'm going to go to this display, because this display has more tools on the selective tools that you get a free option other than that one. So they have, buy any of these tools, you get this for free. Expiration date for these is 4/15/2026 as well. They have their XR drywall screw cutout tool, brushless 1/2-inch impact wrench, their XR belt sander, XR full-size reciprocating saw, their XR oscillating multi-tool, their XR mid-range 1/2-inch impact wrench, their XR 7/4-inch circular saw, the DCF 845 XR impact driver, the Grabo lifter, the XR drywall screw gun, their XR, I don't know if that's XR, but they do have a ratchet, paddle switch angle grinder, 1/4-inch sheet sander, right angled 3/8 inch drill, and they have their forward port charger. So if you get any of those tools, you get a free 5 amp hour battery with that. I do not see anything special for Bosch, but they do have a special deal for Metabo. They do have this BOGO deal going on, where if you get any of these nailers as a full kit, you get a free 5 amp hour / 2.5 amp hour battery, depending on the voltage that you use the battery for. It is $429 for the cordless roofing nailer, full kit. $439, they have the 30-degree framing nailer. $289, all these are full kits. This is the only one that comes with a 4 amp hour. Wait, which one? No, this one comes with a 4 amp hour battery. The rest of these are 2 amp hours. $389 for the Metabo 16 gauge finish nailer, full kit. And $309 for their 18 gauge brad nailer, also as a full kit. But that is a BOGO deal, which you get this battery for free, so don't forget your free item. $169 for the 2-tool combo kit for Metabo, the multi-volt drill driver and impact driver. 2 2 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag. $169. Then they do have a BOGO deal going on with, you get this a 20 volt XR 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. You get a free 8 amp hour power pack battery and a rapid charger. So don't forget your free item. The saw itself is $699. Powerful saw, and I'm glad that it's battery operated. That is a very fast charger, and it's free. Metabo also has a BOGO deal going on. If you get this 12-inch 15 amp dual bevel compound corded saw, miter saw, you get this free stand. So don't forget your free item. The stand's value is $199. So $299 for that. They also have this. Buy this, you get this free. So it's $37.98 for the 1/4 inch by 50 foot PU air hose. And you get the 1/4 inch by 50 foot air hose for free, so don't forget your free item. And then $79 for the 1000 lumen LED flashlight by DeWalt. $99 for a 2-pack of their 2 amp hour batteries. $169 for their brushless hammer drill with a 5 amp hour battery and a slide-on charger. $179 for a 2-pack of their 6 amp hour batteries. Now each of these kits, these 3, come with an 8 amp hour power pack battery and a rapid charger, and they're each $379. You get the XR 7/4 inch circular saw, the 4.5 inch paddle switch angle grinder, or their full size reciprocating saw. Those are all full kits. $379 each. $349 for their high range 1/2 inch impact wrench with a 5 amp hour battery, charger in a bag. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited about the new tool sales that are coming. I'm excited to see what they are. $99. They have the 250 lumen to 500 lumen area light. $199 for a 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries. $129 for a 2-pack of their 4 amp hour batteries. This is the part of the $129 deal that DeWalt is having. That's why it's priced differently. $219 for a 2-pack of their 5 amp hour batteries. $229, ignore this one, that's a bad deal because you get the same price as a kit. That's right here. So yeah, I'd get the kit. I'd ignore this one if I were you. $359, the 4-pack of their batteries, 2 4 amp hours and 2 2 amp hours. $359. $279 for their XR sealed ratchet. That is 3/8 and a half inch drives in one. $449 for their 2-tool combo kit of their high-range XR hammer drill and the DCF 845 XR impact driver. 8 amp hour power pack battery, 4 amp hour battery, 4 amp charger, and a bag. $199 for the 8-piece of their oscillating multi-tool. Full kit, 2 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag, and some accessories. $229 for the DCF 860 XR impact driver. 4 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag, full kit. Like I said, ignore that one right there. That's tool only for the same price. Terrible. Or $229 for their XR compact drill driver, 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag. $329 for the 2-tool combo kit of their compact XR hammer drill and the DCF 845 XR impact driver. 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag as well. $399 for the 3-tool combo kit, which these are regular brushless. Drill driver, impact driver, 2 5 amp hour batteries, slide-on charger, and a 6.5 inch circular saw. $399. And Metabo has for $49 their 2-inch 18 gauge brad nailer, pneumatic. $99 for their 2.5 inch 16 gauge straight finish nailer. $159 for their 3.5 inch 30-degree framing nailer. All of these are pneumatic. And $259 for their 1 3/4 inch roofing nailer. Coil roofing nailer, $259. So like I said, it's gonna be a short video, you guys. They are starting to set up all of the brand new tool sales, which I'm hoping to see. Technically, these are already expired, so these are gonna be all exchanged. We'll do one more video of this later on next week of everything before everything goes. But they are setting up brand new tool sales, so I'm excited to see what they are. And as you can see, there are more tool sales that we are just passing, but we're gonna end this video here. So if you found this video helpful and entertaining, please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos, and please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave and Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.